Welcome back to the channel. Today we deep dive into hybrid inverters. They support ranges from 100 to 1000 volts. Let's compare the best brands. Today we review high voltage hybrid inverters. Deye handles a wide PV voltage range. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Growatt and Victron are also great. What is a high voltage hybrid inverter? It accepts a wide voltage range. Typically, interaction and load supply are managed all in one unit. Now let's compare brands. We will be comparing popular brands like Deye, Felicity, and Luxpower. We'll look at features and pros and cons. This video will save you time and money. Let's get started. Let's thank our sponsor, LawTech Solution. Visit their website, shown right here on the screen, or email them to move forward with modern tech. We'll start with Deye. Deye is one of the most widely used hybrid inverter brands globally. It supports high PV input voltage and strong parallel capability. Deye is a leader in hybrid inverters, balancing performance and efficiency. They offer flexibility for any scale. Like and subscribe for more. The pros of Deye include high efficiency, flexible configuration, and reliable parallel operation. It also has strong monitoring features. It supports both grid-tied and off-grid applications seamlessly. However, the cons include a slightly complex setup process. This process is for beginners, and occasional firmware configuration challenges, if not properly handled. Next is Felicity Solar. Felicity inverters are known for affordability. They offer seamless integration with their own battery systems. Let's talk about Felicity. Effectiveness, simple installation, and decent performance for small to medium systems. However, the downsides: limited advanced features and less robust monitoring systems. Consider these before buying. The advantages of Felicity include cost effectiveness, simple installation for small to medium systems. However, the downsides include limited advanced features, lower build quality, and less robust monitoring. Now let's look at Luxpower. Luxpower has gained popularity for its smart hybrid capabilities and remote monitoring. The pros include strong software integration, flexible battery compatibility, and good performance in residential setups. On the downside, Luxpower may have limited availability in some regions. Moving on to Gennex. Gennex inverters are often rebranded systems targeting emerging markets. The advantage is affordability and accessibility. However, Gennex offers top-tier hybrid inverters. Explore our array of power solutions. Subscribe to our channel today. Come today. Next is Growatt. Growatt is a globally recognized brand with user-friendly monitoring. However, some report limitations in heavy load environments and occasional communication issues. Now let's talk about SRNE. They focus on off-grid and hybrid solutions. The pros include off-grid reliability, the cons a less refined user interface, and fewer advanced smart features. Next is Victron Energy, a brand known for high reliability. They offer modular system design and industry-leading monitoring, trusted in critical applications. However, the downside is cost. Victron is significantly more expensive than most other brands, and setup may require advanced technical knowledge. Now we move to Cworth. Cworth is an emerging brand focusing on cost-effective hybrid solutions. The pros include affordable global support are still developing. Welcome to the future of hybrid inverters. Our smart inverters ensure seamless power for your home. Experience efficiency with our full product range. Choose reliability. Choose Cworth. Choosing the wrong hybrid inverter can cost you thousands. Poor performance, battery failures, and constant system shutdowns. And tell you which ones are which ones you should avoid. Kartel is another brand that offers hybrid inverter solutions in the mid-range market. Its strengths in competitive pricing, while the weaknesses include limited global presence and fewer advanced features. Welcome to the future of hybrid inverters. Our smart inverters ensure seamless power for your home. Experience efficiency with our full product range. Choose reliability. Choose Kartel. Choose SMS, a brand that is becoming popular mainly because of affordability. SMS inverters are widely used in residential setups. They are affordable, however, they lack advanced features. Next is ITEL, a brand many people already know from electronics. They've recently entered the solar inverter market. ITEL inverters are user-friendly, affordable, and designed for simple home use. But they are still new. Now let's talk about Luxon, one of the more balanced options in this list. It offers good efficiency, supports high PV voltage, and includes without paying premium prices. Luxon is a strong contender. Luxpower focuses more on stability and reliability. Solid performance, protection, consistent output, smart monitoring, solid protection systems, tech features over stability, home option. Ensky is another budget-friendly option. Easy install, affordable, works well off-grid. Efficient, heavy loads. Backup systems. Gennex Green is an emerging brand focusing on modern solar solutions. It supports lithium batteries. Pricing unproven, but still developing. The promising option. Let's quickly compare all these inverters. SMS, best budget. ITEL, best for beginner. Best balance. Luxpower, most stable. Emerging tech. Which one is right for your home? Let's compare these inverter brands. Deye is popular globally. Felicity focuses on affordability. Luxpower stands out with smart features. Gennex is common in emerging markets. Growatt recognized. Let's compare these inverters. Growatt has solid performance. SRNE is for off-grid. Victron is the gold standard. Cworth is growing fast. Kartel is cost-effective. There's no one-size-fits-all inverter. If you want cheap, go SMS, Ensky, Kartel, or Luxon. If you want balance, Felicity, Gennex, or Cworth. For stability, there's no one-size-fits-all inverter. If you want stability, go Victron, Deye, SRNE, Luxpower, and Growatt. When comparing all these brands, there are several key factors you should consider. First is efficiency. High-voltage inverters reduce losses and improve overall system performance. Second is compatibility. Ensure the inverter supports your battery type, especially lithium batteries, with proper communication protocols. Third is scalability. If you plan to expand your system, choose an inverter that supports parallel operation. Fourth is monitoring. A good inverter should offer remote monitoring via Wi-Fi or cloud platforms. Fifth is reliability and support. Always consider warranty, availability of spare parts, and technical support in your region. So which inverter should you choose? If you want a balance of performance, features, and cost, Deye and Growatt are strong choices. If you're on a tight budget, Felicity, Gennex, or Cworth may be suitable. If you want premium quality and maximum reliability, Victron is the best option. And if you prefer smart features and flexibility, Luxpower is a great contender. Ultimately, the best inverter depends on your specific. Before we wrap up, here are some common mistakes to avoid when choosing with your battery system. Always verify communication protocols. Avoid undersizing your inverter. Make sure it can handle your load requirement. Do not overlook installation quality. Even the best inverter can fail if installed incorrectly. And finally, always ensure proper protection devices are installed, including breakers and surge protection. In conclusion, hybrid inverters are the backbone of modern systems, offering flexibility and smart energy management, choosing the right brand in performance and long-term reliability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see more in-depth solar guides and comparisons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.